Look what we have here, honey. Yes, yes to the gods. Hi, you guys. Welcome back to my garden. So today I'm getting ready to do an unboxing, and then we're also going to look at another unboxing that I did about a month ago, but I combined it into one video. So the first plant up, we're going to be opening up a Limelightprime. So let's see what she looks like fresh out of the box. All right, here's the receipt. All right. Okay. So they sent me some premium continuous release plant food. Love it, guaranteed, or will replace it. Here she is. All right, so at first take, let's dust her off. Now, some of her leaves are scraggly, and I think I'm going to actually be able to get blooms off of this maybe this year. So I'm going to get her planted up. I'm not sure where I'm going to put her. So as you can see her leaves, let's get in closer and look at her leaves really quick. As you can see, like several of the leaves are kind of just like burnt. That doesn't scare me away, but I would have liked for her to be better shaped than this. Limelightprime, sturdy and reliable. Of course, let me tell you guys something. All panicle hydrangeas, do you hear me? All of them are the easiest hydrangea to grow. Do you hear me? I'm gonna say that again. All panicle hydrangeas are the easiest hydrangea to grow. So you can plant her in sun or part shade. USDA zone 3 to 8. She's 4 to 6 feet tall and wide. So they want you to space them 4 to 6 feet apart. She blooms in the summer. You prune her in the late winter, early spring. Adaptable to most well-drained soil. You fertilize in the spring, and you can use it as a border, hedge, or a specimen plant. So here she is. So the first thing I do when I get my plants, that are shipped in, I go ahead and I water them in really, really well. So now let's go ahead and talk about the Quickfirefab hydrangeas that I also received. So Quickfirefab, here's the tag here. You see it? So I got 3 Quickfirefabs. Look what we have here, honey. Yes. 2 came at one time, and then 1 came individually by itself. a couple days later, and the condition of that third plant was not the best quality, and it's definitely not what I was expecting from Proven Winners. No shade, I mean, it is what it is. They do say that if you're unsatisfied with your order, you can actually reach out to them and they will get back with you and try to rectify the situation. I did send out an email, but I never got a response back to it. It was part of a survey that they sent out, a questionnaire, and I didn't answer the survey because I didn't want to be negative in my review, because only one of my plants really showed up in a good fashion. This Quickfirefab right here is the best condition of all the plants that I have received. This is the quality of plant that I want to get when I have a plant that I'm getting from online. I mean, look at this quality. Like, you can even see through the plastic that it's in pretty good shape, even though you do have a few tips on the leaves that are brown. Here are the 3 Quickfirefab hydrangeas that I got from Proven Winners. Here's the tag. So a little bit about these. I'm not sure if I'm going to get blooms on these for this year, but that's fine. So they're a panicle hydrangea. Again, the easiest type of hydrangea. Anybody can grow this hydrangea. You don't need experience to grow this hydrangea. And a lot of the other ones, if we just being quite honest, you can do full sun or part shade. USDA zones 3 to 8, 6 to 8 feet tall and wide. So you gotta have a fairly large space if you're putting all 3 of these in a hedge, or I mean, it's 6 to 8. You can really use that to even create a privacy hedge. There's so many different ways you can use this, from a plane's going over us, you guys. So there are so many different ways that you can use this hydrangea. Here's what the blooms are going to look like. I'm not sure if you can see these, but 6 to 8 feet tall and wide. They bloom in the summertime. The same regimen. You prune in the wintertime, you fertilize in the early spring, adaptable to most soils, and they have a low resistance to deer. So if you deal with deer, I don't know, but I have 3 of these, and I have them in these 3 containers right here, and I have them coming like where they're sitting in the garden. They're coming like tiered, so I have them clustered in a tier of 3. The hydrangeas begin to get bigger. I'll definitely be moving them up inside. So with these hydrangeas, when they came in the mail, this one right here, the one that I have in the littlest one, it was also damaged. The box was bent up and it was kind of open a little bit. So I just went in and I trimmed all the dead back or whatever, kind of similar to this one. It has some dead leaves on it. So I just pruned everything back. It's just one of the risks that you will have to take. You know, you just have to weigh, is it worth getting your plants online or at the nursery? Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have the Proven Winners Limelightprime Fire Fab hydrangea. Let me know down in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, I'll be showing you pictures later. So I'm outside in my garden minding my business. Come in to take a quick little coffee break and get a ding ding ring at the door. Come outside to see what it is, and guess what it is? Look what we have here, honey. Yes, yes to the gods.